Hi children, good morning everyone. So how are you? I hope you are fine and you are at home. Yes, so yesterday we have completed the explanation part of this English lesson of page number 36. Please children, all of you open the page number 36. For class 2 children, this is the English subject. Okay, what is the name of the lesson children? HELPING, helping and sharing. SHARING, helping and sharing. Get set, go. Look at these pictures. What you will do? What will you do? Talk to your partner and tick the correct box. See, this boy is playing with the ball. This girl is coming and something has happened, right? Because of the ball, the girl fell down. Okay. So what you need to do? You have to help that girl. Yes. You should not laugh or tease others, right? Have you both ticked the same picture? We have ticked the correct box, right? Now coming to the chapter, please try to do the reading, children. Appu loves carrot halwa. So what the Appu loves? He loves carrot halwa. He gets some carrot seeds. Appu, if I grow carrots, I know grandma will make carrot halwa for me. I think I'll sow these seeds. So here children, I apostrophe LL will be there. Now it means WILL will be there. I will. This will be the thing. So I'll sow seeds. Okay. This you have to practice children. Okay. So Appu loves what children? Carrot halwa. So even you can say I like this, and he is thinking about carrot halwa only. Oh, licking tongue, right? And what he brought children? He brought carrot seeds so that he can grow the seeds and then he will get the carrots and then he will give it to grandma so that she can prepare the delicious carrot halwa. But that he is thinking about carrot halwa and he is licking the tongue. Yes or no children? Yes. Next. Appu sow the seeds. He waters them. Appu sow the seeds. What he has done? He sow the seeds and see, he waters them every day. He waters them every day. Most of the seeds grow into baby carrots. Most of the seeds grow into the baby carrots. Do you know what happens to one of the seeds? So most of the seeds they are grow to the carrots, but one of the seed, what happens to them? Let us see. Okay, it grows and grows and grows. It grows into a huge carrot. Appu tries to pull the carrot out. So what has happened to the one seed? It is just growing, continually growing. It is growing continually. It is not stopping at all, and it is growing a big carrot. Okay. So when it is grows into a huge carrot, huge means very large, very large. Okay. Appu tries to pull the carrot out. Pulling means this one. How it is pulling? See, it is pulling. Appu tries na. He is trying to pull that carrot. Okay. Next, see how he is pulling. Full whole strength he is collecting, and then he is pulling out of the ground. Appu pulls and pulls. He cannot pull it out. He cannot pull it out. He calls Tina. Appu pulls and pulls. He cannot pull it out. He calls Tina. So he has called whom? He called Tina. Yes. Okay. So all the children will be playing in the park, right? All the children will be at together. So he called one of that partner, that is Tina. Okay. She is there beside behind the. So now here Appu is calling. So he is thinking about the carrot. He collecting the carrot seeds, and then he sows the seeds. Then he is seeing all the carrots are growing up, and then he is pulling, all the carrots has been grown. He is pulling that carrot, but he was unable to do it. So he called Tina. Let us see what will happen next. So please turn the page children. Appu, please help me pull this carrot out. Then grandma can make halwa for us. I'm just repeating, children. Please help me pull this carrot out. Then grandma can make halwa for us. Tina pulls Appu and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Then Tina calls Minnie. So, Appu, what happened to Appu? Please help me to pull out this. Appu is saying that I am unable to pull this out carrot from the ground. Please help me. So, what happened again? Appu and Tina, both of them, they are trying to pull out the carrot. Yes, see here you can see both they are trying to pull out the carrot. The Tina is holding that what you call as, he is the sorry children, Tina is pulling the Appu and Appu is pulling the carrot. Yes or no? See here, Tina pulls Appu and Appu pulls carrot. They pull and pull. So, they with the all strength they are taking that with the all strength they are pulling the carrot, but it is not coming out. Then Tina calls whom? Tina calls Minnie. Tina calls what, children? Minnie. Okay, children. Tina, Minnie, do help us pull this carrot out. Appu's grandma will make halwa for us. So, even the Tina is saying to Minnie that please help us to pull that carrot, so that grandma, whose grandma? Appu's grandma will prepare the carrot halwa for us. So that we will eat the delicious carrot halwa. Now, who is pulling the carrot, children? Minnie, Tina. Minnie pulls Tina, Tina pulls Appu, and Appu is pulling the carrot. Yes or no? So, even the three children are also they are also pulling the carrot, but they are unable to pull it out. So, that is the reason. It means how you can imagine that how the carrot is very huge, it is very large, and how it is grounded to the soil. Yes or no? Now Minnie pulls Tina and Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. So, what happened here? Obviously, I told na here, the Minnie pulls Tina and Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Okay, children? Oh God, how much that huge carrot, na children? Oh, now this one. Then Minnie calls Raja. Now Minnie calls whom? Raja. Here the Raja is here. Raja is here. Raja pulls Minnie. Minnie pulls Tina. Tina pulls Appu, and Appu is pulling the carrot. Right or not? Yes. Raja pulls Minnie, and Minnie pulls Tina, and Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Okay. Okay, children. So, here what we have seen, children, in this lesson, first Appu wants to eat the carrot halwa. So, he brought the seeds and sowed the seeds. One of the seeds is getting into very huge carrot. Then Appu calls Tina, and then Tina calls Minnie, and Minnie calls Raja. So, these are all children pulling the carrot. Okay, children. So, what will happen the next one? That we will see it tomorrow, and tomorrow please try to read this out. What is the spelling for please? What is the spelling for Tina, Appu, carrot? Okay, calls. This all you please learn. So, till now how many members joined to pull the carrot? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members has joined, but that carrot is very strong and it is not at all coming out. Yes or no, children? Yes. And we will see the textual reading as well as the textual exercises tomorrow. Okay, children, I hope you have learned this a lot, and you are going, when you are going to the textual reading, when you are going to the videos, you will get to know what is the lesson about, what do you know about the helping and sharing. Yes, so this will be there in the textbook. Okay, children, so tomorrow we will be doing this one here, from here page number 39 tomorrow we will do. Okay, children, so till page number, I want you to read the lesson from page number 36, 37 and 38. That will be your homework. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye.